So, got another box. Let's see what's inside. I know what's inside, but y'all don't. It's a GooLoo power station and jump starter for my car. This is nice. Easy to jump start 12-volt vehicles. Connect vehicle battery, green light, silent, start vehicle engine. Built-in smart safety protection. Overcharge protection, over current, short current, reverse polarity protection, low temp, high temp, over voltage, and overload. So, jump starter. I'm not really good at this unboxing thing. Especially because I don't really have like a area right now. But alright. This is the product. I like the box. It's sturdy. Oh, it comes in a little case. Look at the little case it comes in. I like that. It's nice. Jump starter power bank. It has a little case. This is what it looks like. This is dumb small. I can't believe this was actually fully charged before use. Do not dismantle device. Do not use the device if battery is swollen. Do not attempt to charge or use the device. And please, different languages. User manual. It actually says user manual. I gotta read that. Certainly. But there's that. And then it comes with 2 jumper cables. The thing to attach into the John. This John. The GooLoo John. I have to figure out what this plug does, but I'll figure it out. And then it comes with a little charger for like ooh, it came with a little charger for my phone too, and I actually uses it for a Galaxy. Yep, these people like Galaxy and not Apple. Haha. It came with the Apple John. But I like that. I gotta figure out what this cord is for. So that's nice. So now I have like regular jumper cables. And then I have these jumper cables. Get that shit back inside of there. And I like this little case that it comes in. This is really small, yo. It's like dumb small. You could fit this in a backpack, you know? For real. Let me just put that right there. I gotta read this. But yeah. The GooLoo Titan. Like this little case. So, yeah.